Hi, are you looking for a property and are too tired to do physical site visits? Obviously, Bengaluru traffic does not let you move around too much, and especially if you want to see multiple properties in a day. So, this is what we at Property Cloud do for you. We do virtual site visits for you because this is a prop tech company. Now, what is a prop tech company? As I told you, that we do virtual site visits for you and bring those videos to you at your convenience on your mobile phone or your laptop screen. And in these videos, we tell you everything about the projects, the land parcel, the amenities, the carpet areas, the pricing, and everything else that you need to know. Well, one more thing that I need to tell you about Property Cloud is that we connect you directly with the developer. Now, isn't that amazing? Why is it amazing? Because when we are connecting you directly with the developer, that means that we are not going to charge absolutely any brokerage from you, and also we will provide you the best of the prices that are available in the market. Along with that, we also help you with spot payment options, with booking offers and many more discounts in case you are booking a property with us on Property Cloud. And here I am today at Providence Sunworth, which is located at Nice Junction Road, Mysore Road, Kangeri. Now, what matters the most is the name, Providence Sunworth. Why do you think is the name? Because this property is worthy enough. There is behind me a 60-acre of land development of the total, out of which almost 30,000 is already sold off, wherein 3,000 happy families are living already. So you have a ready neighborhood, and now approximately 30,000 area has been taken for the development, out of which 4 towers are already sold out. And now they have only 4 towers left for you. Now, amongst the model flat that I'm going to show you, and out of the configurations that they have, in case you want a bigger configuration, they also have an option for that with Jodi apartments and other apartments. For that, you need to visit the place. But other than that, what else do you need to know is something that I'm going to show you right over here. Come and take a closer look at it. With 15 years of trust and 9 projects present across the cities, Provident brings to us this brand new project, and the best part of this project is the connectivity. Chalagatta metro station is just about 2 kilometers from here. Nice Road Junction is just about 3 kilometers. The Kangeri metro station is going to be 3 kilometers. There are going to be offices in nearby vicinity and hospitals like Raja Rajeshwari Medical College and Hospital, BGS Hospital, of course schools like the National Public School, Marigold International School, colleges like the ACS College of Engineering, and all of this is going to be nearby. Not just this, there's going to be a lot of entertainment like the Good Earth Ecotourism, Decathlon, the Garden Asia Resort, etc. Everything is going to be in nearby area. And as they say, welcome to the world of more. They have 2 different variants in the 2 BHK and 3 BHK. It is of 883 square feet and 1085 square feet. I'm going to show you the model flat from inside. Stay tuned with me because this is going to be worth it. Now, this is the 883 square feet 2 BHK apartment. It is already so comfortable and cozy that I do not feel like coming out of this house. But you must take a look at this living and dining area, which is easily, both the areas are easily accessible for the TV room. Now, first, before showing you the kitchen, I'm going to show you the balcony of this house, and it is right over here. Now, with these sliding doors, we enter the balcony over here. Now, the balcony has been kept open from 2 sides intentionally so that there is cross ventilation, and it has been covered from the top so that you can be safe from the Bengaluru rains, but not the air over here. Take a good look at the balcony so that I can proceed into the house. Now that we're inside again, let me show you the kitchen over here. This kitchen comes with an L-shaped granite slab over here and ends at your vegetable and utility sink. Over here, this area has been provided specially for your washing machines and your dryers and your dishwashers. So it comes with an extra tap over here and also an electrical unit and a window. Now this part over here, you can already see it has an extra roof ceiling kind of a thing that comes out. That's because you can always have your clothes dryer right over here inside your utility area, and there's going to be good ventilation also for that, and also your kitchen stays well lit because of the window. Now from this dining area, we're going to walk into the common areas, which are over here. This over here is the common toilet and bath. It has a mirror. Comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles and CP sanitary fittings as well. This over here is the first bedroom of the house that comes with an extra large window again. So as I specified earlier that the balcony has been designed specifically for cross ventilation. Similarly, the windows over here are also designed in a particular manner that they provide cross ventilation with the doors, and these windows can be opened in a sliding pattern. They're pretty big over here, which allow perfect ventilation, and the room stays well lit as well. And again, from this foyer area, we enter into the master bedroom. Now, this aisle has been intentionally given so that there is no direct access to the bedroom and there is some privacy maintained. Come inside and let me show you the attached toilet and wash to the master bedroom right over here. They have left absolutely no stone unturned when I talk about cross ventilation. So you can already see the two windows that have been placed right next to each other over here, and when you open these windows, I'm not taking the risk of it because it provides in maximum ventilation. Your room is going to stay all the time ventilated, even without the requirement of an air conditioner over here, because as we all know that the whole land parcel is pretty huge and there's going to be a lot of air and a lot of oxygen as well. Oh, before I leave, do I have to also tell you how can you come over here and do a site visit and also go ahead with the booking process? Well, it's very simple. But you need to give me another 2 minutes so that I can enjoy the luxury of this house, and I'm gonna see you at the exit of this video. Stay tuned with me. And now that I've shown you the complete project, I'm sure you want to know how will the booking process go. As I told you, you have to really come and visit the property, but how are you going to do that? Over here at Property Cloud, we provide you free pickup and drop service. So once you contact us, how will you contact us? Of course, that's very simple. See, in the captions, we've mentioned a link below. All you need to do is click on the link once. Once you've done that, then our sales manager will get in touch with you and will help you shortlist the properties that you like, maybe as per your preferences, your area preferences, or your choices. And then once you've shortlisted and made a list of the properties, then we will get a cab to your doorstep and offer you free pickup and drop service from your place till the project and back to your house, so that you can see all your shortlisted properties in one day itself. This is a very good way to escape Bengaluru traffic and see 4 or 5 projects in 4 or 5 days. This is what we do for you at Property Cloud, because we care for you and we want you to buy your house hassle-free, brokerage-free, and also with multiple discounts. So very quickly register yourself, click on the link that's mentioned below, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that I can tell you about more and more such properties, not just in Bengaluru but all over India and also across the globe. Yes, we also have properties across the globe in UAE, Canada, US, Singapore, and multiple countries. Stay tuned with me, Ekta Kapoor, so that I can take you across the globe, across all the properties virtually. Thank you.